Alrighty, so in my last video, my storage was disgustingly messy. I actually cleaned it up, got some trash out. This is the next chapter, so we'll come back to that. So in today's video, it's a little quick life hack. I was cleaning my bike and I figured I'd show it to you guys how I do it in my storage. So I have this gardening pressurized hose thingamajigger. You pump it a couple times, builds pressure and shoots whatever liquids that's inside. So what I did was fill this thing up with this right here, waterless cleaner. And what I do is I literally just pump this, give it a little spray down like this, like so, all over, like so, and just wipe it down literally. It's waterless, apparently, quote unquote. But yeah, this should do the trick. Grab me a microfiber towel and wipe it down. Yeah, baby. Clean your old baby. Yeah, boy.